Did you know that Sung Jinwoo has a heartwarming habit of cooking for his family whenever he feels truly scared? In Solo Leveling, we learn that Jinwoo always admired his father and tried to follow in his footsteps. Interestingly, his father also had a habit of cooking for the family before something bad was about to happen. This trait was passed down to Jinwoo, and it became a way for him to express his love and worry. Before the final war against the strongest monarchs, Jinwoo prepared the most delicious meals for his mother and sister. Deep down, he knew the stakes were higher than ever, and he had to be ready for the worst-case scenario. He even asked Jinwoo's father for a favor, to protect his family if anything were to happen to him during the final battle. Despite his tough exterior, Jinwoo was genuinely scared in that moment, knowing the monarchs had the power to destroy the world, and that he was the only one strong enough to stand against them. It's moments like these that show Jinwoo's humanity and how much he cares for his loved ones.